Hey guys, welcome back to Delta Roots and Sweet Traditions. If you don't know, my name's Tiffany, and today I want to talk to you about farm fresh eggs. Hey guys, so I get asked this all the time about farm fresh chicken eggs and what you should do with them. Should you wash them? Should you not wash them? How long do they last? Can you leave them on the counter? Can you put them in the refrigerator? What do you do with these eggs? Well, we are in abundance here. What I do, if I have some pretty clean eggs, I'll put them in an egg carton, leave them on my counter, and not wash them. Do not wash. Put in an egg carton, pointy end down, like that, and they will stay on your counter unwashed for a good 4 weeks, if not more. I've used eggs on the counter up to 8 weeks with no issues. You will know if you have a bad egg. It will stink when you crack it open, and your whole house is going to stink. But hopefully you will catch the smell before then. But you can always do the water test to see if they float, to see if they're bad or not. If I get some pretty muddy, dirty looking eggs, these ones I will wash and throw in an egg carton, pointy side down, and put in the fridge. You can put unwashed eggs in the fridge as well, even these dirty ones. They are, you just wash them when you use them. They will, if you don't wash them, put them in an egg carton in the refrigerator, they're going to be good 4 up to 6 months, even months, not weeks, months. If you wash them, put them in the refrigerator, probably more on the 4-month side, but unwashed in the refrigerator, I would say you're good for 6 months. So the flip side of that was on the counter, unwashed, a good 4 to 6 weeks. So pointy side down. I'll show you how to do the float test. Alright, you can get you a jar of water, or you can fill up your sink with water to do the float test. So basically just find you an egg, drop him in. See how he goes straight to the bottom and he's laying on his side? That is a fresh egg, very fresh egg. See how that one kind of floated up, standing up? He's standing up on his pointed end, so he's not as fresh as the one laying down flat on his side, but he's still usable. So if you were to get an egg, that one's gonna be hard to tell just because there's too many eggs in there now, but if you was to get an egg and he was like literally floating on top of the water here, like he was very bouncy up here, you throw that egg away. He's no good. He'll be a rotten egg. Alright guys, Well, I hope that clears up any confusion about farm fresh chicken eggs. It's better to buy farm fresh if you can. Alright, any comments, questions, anything? Let me know below. I'll catch you on the next one.